Elementary English Test and Challenge. Test 3 Part 1. Questions 1 to 15. Let's begin. 1. She, blank, a uniform. A. Wear. B. To wear. C. Wearing. D. Wears. 2. He, blank, his car every weekend. A. Wash. B. Washes. C. Washing. D. Washed. 3. Rosemary, blank, 3 languages. A. Speaks. B. Talks. C. Tells. D. No. 4. My dad, blank, at 7 o'clock every day. A. Stands up. B. Looks up. C. Gets up. D. Jumps up. 5. Isabel is a flight attendant. She, blank, passengers. A. Serve. B. To serve. C. Serves. D. Serving. 6. Their son, blank, in this hospital. A. Works. B. Begins. C. Starts. D. Likes. 7. Jim's a postman. He, blank, letters to people. A. Answers. B. Works. C. Delivers. D. Serves. 8. Jane's a doctor. She, blank, ill people. A. Looks at. B. Speaks to. C. Helps. D. Serves drinks. 9. Burn, blank, in a flat in Birmingham. A. Lives. B. Stands. C. Has. D. Wants. 10. Nancy's uncle is a pilot. He, blank, all over the world. A. Goes. B. Sees. C. Travels. D. Delivers. (11) In winter, Sheila, blank, skiing, and in summer, blank, tennis. A. Makes, plays. B. Goes, plays. C. Does, plays. D. Starts, playing. (12) My friend's son, blank, Turkish and English at university. A. Has. B. Plays. C. Studies. D. Goes. (13) Most of the people, blank, work at 8 o'clock every morning. A. Finishes. B. Goes. C. Does. D. Starts. (14) Blank, does Tony Blair live? In Great Britain. A. When. B. Where. C. What time. D. How. (15) Blank, does your father do in his free time? A. Why. B. What kind. C. How many. D. What.